All right, guys, we vapor honed it, we've parts washed it, cleans it up really quickly, really easily, and that's the beauty of vapor honing, and of course, even high pressure parts washing. So if you guys have more questions on how we can help you with your parts washing or your vapor honing process to help your business or your hobby, let us know. That's what we're here for, and we're happy to help. This engine is a perfect example of something that looks like that over here, and how you can take it to this. Relatively easy. Again, there are many different machines for you to choose from depending on what your budget is, and that's what we're here to help with. But you can do this every single time in your garage or your small business, and we're here and we're happy to help you, and we can show you every step of the way on how to create all these different processes and recipes, and we can recommend what equipment's going to be best for you. But I love doing this as a hobby. Really pumped about this now. This is the first time I've done this in a couple years. I'm trying to help you guys, trying to grow a business, and of course my hobby fell to the wayside. But really love doing this stuff, and once I started actually vapor honing and washing all these parts again over the last couple hours, it's really shown me why I did this for you guys in the beginning and why this stuff was created, because it makes this so much easier and so much more enjoyable, no matter if you're doing it for a business or a hobby. If you have questions, call or email the sales team. Put your comments down below. We'd love to answer those comments for you. But as always, guys, thanks for watching.